Reading and writing Roman numerals. The Arabic numeral system is the form of numbers usually used today, but can use the Roman numeral system in writing numbers. So, let's have a comparison table between the Arabic and Roman numerals. The Roman numerals of 1 is I. The Roman numerals of 5 is V. 10 is X. 50 is L. 100 is C. 500 D. And 1000 is F. So, we have rules for using Roman numerals. Rule number 1. Roman numerals I, X, C, and M are the only letters that can be repeated up to 3 times. For example, 3 is equal to I. 30 is equal to X. 300 is equal to C. And 3000 is equal to M. Rule number 2. Roman numerals V, L, and D can only be used once in succession. For example, 15. 15 cannot be written as V. Then, how would you write 15? 15 is equal to XV. X is equal to 10 and V is equal to 5. Rule number 3. When Roman numerals are combined with other Roman numerals, we either subtract or add depending on their values. Add if the numeral on the left is followed by a numeral of lesser value. Example, XII is equals to 12. X is equal to 10. II is equal to 2. X plus II is equal to XII or 12. Now, let's have another example. LXXI is equal to 71. L is equal to 50. XX is equal to 20. And I is equal to 1. 50 plus 20 plus 1 is equals to 71. Subtract. If the numeral on the left is followed by a numeral of a higher value, example, IV is equal to 4. I is followed by V is equal to 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Another example, P, M, X, L, I, V is equal to 944. First of all, let's split up into three parts, CM, XL, IV. The CM represents 100 and 1000. And because the smaller C or 100 is written before a larger M or 1000, we must subtract C from M, which is equal to 900. Next, the XL. XL represents X and L, and because the smaller X or 10 is written before the largest L or 50, we must subtract X from L, which is equal to 40. Next, the IV represents I and V, and because the smaller I or 1 is written before the largest V or 5, we must subtract I from V, which is equal to 4. Now, if we put these together, it makes 944. Always remember, Roman numerals use letters instead of numbers. The 7 letters used are I, V, X, L, T, D, and M. And that is our lesson for today.